back, bitches. It's 2018. We finna get it rocking for 2018, okay? We finna get it rocking for 2018, okay, baby? Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my first video of the year. And this first video of 2018 is definitely exciting. So today's video is being done in collab with my girl here on YouTube, Briana Marie. If you guys don't know who she is, then you are under a rock, girlfriend. So let me pull you from under it, okay? So me and her did a collab, I want to say around prom season of last year, and it was pretty much successful. And she's doing a huge collab with, I believe, over 30 YouTubers. So along with this collab, including Briana Marie, there will be tons of other girls that are participating in this collab as well. So I definitely want to say to all the girls that Briana is collabing with, like, seriously, who on YouTube is even doing that? Nobody. I feel like everybody is just so worried about somebody getting ahead of somebody when they should be trying to uplift other YouTubers, other people that's just, you know, trying to get into this beauty game. Like, everybody's so high strung on not letting the other person get one up on them that is just ridiculous. So I'm definitely like cheering Briana on. You know, she's definitely giving back to YouTube, and not that she even has to, it's the simple fact that she's doing it because she wants to. So what can you not do other than respect her for that? Like, anybody that's sitting around here that got beef with her over I don't know what, like, you just a goofy. Like, go sit down, sis, go sit down. Like, it ain't even necessary. This is going to be a colorful blue look. As you can see, I'm feeling mighty blue. I'm feeling blue, honey. I have my little blue ensemble off the shoulder thing. Like, oh, let me show y'all. It has this little tie thing right here too. I'm feeling mad cute right now. Mad fucking cute. Come on now. I'm feeling mad cute. So this is like a really cute shirt. I did get this from Forever 21. If you like a little bit of dramatic pieces in your life, this is definitely one of them. It has a little Chiquita arms, like I'm finna go salsa something, like ooh, 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 ooh. Like, I really love it. Like, I feel so fabulous in this shirt. And then I just have on my little necklace. I bought this from Windsor like last year over the summer, and I have these little hoops on just to add a little spice. And these are from, I believe, Forever 21. Pretty sure of it. Forever 21 or H&M. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, gonna get this little beautiful blue eye glitter collab started. Definitely make sure, if you guys have not already subscribed, please do. Yeah, and if you don't, turn on your notifications so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. Like, sis, what are you doing? Hit the notification so you'll know when I upload, okay? Thank you guys for tuning in. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this massive collab being done with Briana Marie. Let's get into this first video of 2018. Bye. So you guys, I've already went ahead and primed my eyelid. I used my LA Pro Concealer in medium beige, and I just basically set it with my MERCIER translucent powder. Boom, super simple. Moving on. So next I'm going to take my Urban Decay Jean BASQUIAT palette, and I'm going to take the color called Levitation. And this is like a super soft brown. It literally almost is the same color as my skin tone. And I just, you know, applied that within my crease and blended that away just real quick. And then I went back into that same palette and I grabbed the color Not For Sale. It is more of like a burnt warm orange. This is literally the same color as Extra Bitter from the Ultimate Basics palette, but just a tad bit deeper. Then next I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, and I'm going to go for the color called Whiskey. And I just applied this deep dark rich brown to my eyelid and blended it upward into my crease just a tad, but I'm keeping the brown still pretty low. Okay, pretty low. And yeah, you're just going to go ahead and blend that in and work that color in until you're completely content with how it's blended. So next I'm going to take the color called Black Market out of that same palette, and I'm just going to apply this to my lid. And some people feel like it's just like not necessary to use several different colors before you apply a darker color, but I promise you when you do this, it will make your eyes look so badass, and like the blending process will be a lot more easier, and you have a fabulous gradient effect to your eyes. So this is me just literally trying to see which color blue I'm going to do. I'm going to go with that little guy at the bottom, the really dark blue. And next I'm just going to use my MAC Mixing Medium. This is really awesome for you want your glitters to stick but not like transfer into your crease, and also it's less harsh than using like lash glue or the benign glitter adhesive, which tends to burn. So I love using this because it's really gentle on the eyelid. So basically so now you just see me going ahead packing that glitter on top of my MAC Mixing Medium liner, and I basically kept it really tight and confined to my lid. So after that, I just went ahead and went back in with Black Market and a little bit of Whiskey just to darken out my outer corner, and also take a clean fluffy brush to help smooth out those edges so they will be super blown out. So for my wing eyeliner, I do strongly suggest you use a gel. A gel will make it way easier to do a wing, and I just went over with my MAC angled eyeliner brush. So next I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in medium tan, and I took the color on the bottom row second in the middle, and I just used that to contour my face. As you guys can see, I have not been into cream contouring as much lately. I've just been loving, I don't know, like this whole softer face without necessarily like piling on the product with, you know, the cream contouring. But yeah, I just really love the softness I've been getting lately from doing just a powder. So next I'm going to go into my Jean BASQUIAT blush palette, and I chose the color The color is NOHO, and this is more like a mauve purple tone blush. I absolutely love it. And then I just took a brush to sweep away the excess powder of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I do like to add my contour and my blush while I have the powder on, because I just feel like, I don't know, I just love how it comes out at the end. And then to highlight, I'm going to start off by using my Maybelline Chrome highlighter, and I apply that, of course, to my cheekbones, my nose, my Cupid's bow. And then I decided to go in with my Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. Okay, like, this glow kit is like in every video. Like, if you don't know what colors I'm using by now, then you is sleeping, girl. I use the colors Kitty Cat, Forever Young, and Daydream, a pink highlighter, a mauve tone highlighter, and a coral highlighter. What are we gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna use my MAC times Selena collection lipstick in, I think, a More Love or something like that. It's nothing but like a nude lipstick. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Fenty Gloss Bomb on top, because what does it look without her? Like, makes my lips just look juicy and luscious. Bam. Okay. So guys, that's basically it for this tutorial. I definitely hope you guys love this collab. Please go over to my girl Briana Marie and check out her collab, and amongst all the other girls that are also doing this collab as well. All of their links will be listed in the description box below, so please go and support them and subscribe. So thanks again for you guys tuning in for my videos. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Bye.